Hi guys, it's gonna be again Pantera for you and for me actually, because honestly I really like it, and I kind of curious when in comments you said, oh, if you like this and that, you will definitely need to listen the FLOODS. I will listen. I'm not gonna complain, you're not gonna complain, we like have a deal, okay? You know what? I imagine that I would love to be his like sound producer, and I'm like, okay, Phil, come to the studio, we're gonna have recordings tonight. And he like come, and then everyone's leave. And we like together in that recording, and he like in that small tiny room recording that voice, and I'm sitting there with all these buttons and equalizers, whatever equipment necessarily needed, okay? And he like recording that voice, and then I will be his girlfriend. Like, I want to be like girlfriend for rock star. But what if he like poopy person and I kind of like him? It's not good. I need to actually figure out he's a good or bad. But that voice, like he... I like how he sings and then voice just talk like repeating the lyrics. It's very interesting. Hot, how I'd say, hot. Like, no, not like way, but maybe way. Interesting, okay? It's interesting, that's it. Ooh. какой-то такой капец, капец. Мощь, мощь. I'm imagining what's gonna happen in that studio with Phil. I mean, like, we probably after gonna go and drink some tea, like talk about some ballet, and he will wear some white white short with blazer, and I will wear some high heels, black simple dress, and we're gonna talk about red caviar and how necessarily need to put on the bread some butter, and it's gonna be better than just with the cheese, like soft cheese. No, butter. It's your best friend if you eat something like red caviar. Yeah, we're gonna go and just have some 2 cups of tea and nothing. Didn't mean anything like dessert. Wow. And now I'm thinking, maybe I better will like have connection with guitar player. Honestly, sometimes I feel like sad that I'm like happy in my life. I like how I live, but when I go into musical world and I dive into that and I imagine alternative reality, this is an amazing song. I really love it. That guitar was mesmerizing, like hypnotizing, and it's have this aftertaste. But for some reason, I feel I like lost something. I didn't take some opportunity from, I like miss some moment which I really wanted to experience. And it's something what maybe I never can have anymore, because it's something about your 20s. I'm gonna finish my recording and I really wanna listen it again. And I wanna just lay down on the floor, close my eyes and dive into it and like live that moment which I have, like this picture fantasy, and maybe it's even gonna give me a new taste of the song. I'm not sure that you wanted to like know that, but I really impressed. And it's not that kind of expression like from Cemetery Gates. It's different, strong type. I love Pantera. Oh, there is a very sexual energy from them. I'm gonna like go into dark now.